Ever wondered what happens when the pesticides used in agriculture end up in the environment? Well, it's not a pretty picture. Traditional pesticides, while effective in controlling pests, have a dark side. They can cause serious harm to the environment, leading to soil degradation, water pollution, and harm to non-target species. Imagine a field, once rich and fertile, now barren and lifeless because of pesticide use. Picture a clear stream, now murky and contaminated, its aquatic life struggling to survive. And think about the innocent creatures, not meant to be targeted yet suffering due to exposure to these chemicals. It's a grim reality, but it's one we have to face. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There's a glimmer of hope in the form of a sustainable alternative. The question is, can we protect our crops without harming the environment? The answer is yes, we can, through biopesticides. Biopesticides, a term you may have heard, but what are they exactly? Well, biopesticides are a type of pesticide derived from natural materials. The ingredients for these eco-friendly pest killers come from a variety of sources, including animals, plants, bacteria, and even certain minerals. Unlike traditional pesticides, which can be harmful to more than just the pests they're designed to kill, biopesticides offer a more targeted approach. Picture a sniper rather than a bomb. They focus solely on the intended pest, leaving beneficial insects and other non-target species unharmed. This is a significant advantage over conventional pesticides that often cause collateral damage to beneficial bugs and the environment. Biopesticides are not just an alternative to traditional pesticides. They are a new way of thinking about pest management, a method that respects the balance of nature while still protecting our crops. So remember, biopesticides are not just an alternative, they are a revolution in pest management. Now that we know what biopesticides are, let's understand why they are the green revolution in pest management. Biopesticides are not just effective, but they are also safer for humans and animals compared to their traditional counterparts. They are derived from natural materials like plants, bacteria, and certain minerals. This means they are less toxic and degrade more quickly, reducing exposure and largely eliminating pollution risks. But the benefits of biopesticides go beyond safety. They play a crucial role in reducing environmental pollution. Traditional pesticides often contaminate water, air, and soil, but biopesticides present a greener, cleaner alternative. They break down into harmless substances, leaving behind no damaging residues. One of the most compelling benefits of biopesticides is their ability to maintain soil fertility. Unlike synthetic pesticides, which can deplete soil nutrients, biopesticides promote soil health. They contribute to the richness of the soil, ensuring its productivity for generations to come. And let's not forget about biodiversity. Biopesticides are typically specific to the pests they control, leaving beneficial insects and organisms unharmed. This selectivity helps preserve the intricate web of life that exists within our ecosystems. In essence, biopesticides are a game-changer in pest management. They provide an effective, safe, and environmentally friendly way to control pests, without the negative impacts associated with traditional pesticides. Biopesticides are redefining the way we manage pests, making agriculture more sustainable and environmentally friendly. To sum up, biopesticides are the future of pest management. They represent a game-changing approach to tackling pesky pests that have long troubled our crops and gardens. Let's take a moment to revisit the highlights of our discussion today. Biopesticides essentially are naturally occurring substances that control pests by non-toxic mechanisms. They're derived from animals, plants, bacteria, and certain minerals. By working in harmony with nature, they offer a sustainable and environmentally friendly solution to pest management. One of the most compelling aspects of biopesticides is their mode of action. They work in a specific, targeted manner, affecting only the intended pests and leaving beneficial insects unharmed. This specificity helps maintain biodiversity and reduces the risk of creating resistant pest populations. The benefits of biopesticides are manifold. They're less toxic than traditional pesticides. They decompose quickly, minimizing environmental contamination, and they can be used in smaller quantities due to their high efficacy. Moreover, they play a significant role in integrated pest management, enhancing the effectiveness of other control methods. In essence, biopesticides are the embodiment of the green revolution in pest management. They hold the promise of a sustainable future where we can protect our crops without harming our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understand biopesticides. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going on this green revolution in pest management.